started the band back in February of '95.
Sully called me. He said he wanted to get into the band and jam just for fun.
So Robbie said, you know, I know this guitar player in the area. His name's Tony Ramola, and he's really good. You should come check him out.
And Robbie Mello brought Sully to a Crushed Tomato show to check me out. I didn't know it. I met Sully there, you know, shook his hand, and they handed me a tape and said, you know, learn this stuff. And we'll see if we like you.
It was the first time I was on a stage as a singer, and I didn't know what the fuck I was gonna do.
He sounded like a wild goat in heat, and I went, oh my God, you're awful.
It wasn't good. I started singing, and I remember watching Robbie walk right out of the fucking studio. I'm like, hold on a second, I will get this. You gotta give me a minute. But eventually I figured it out and started writing down my thoughts and feelings like a journal. And all these journal entries started becoming songs for me. Why is it every day that I feel the pain? Through the pain I was experiencing, something really beautiful was happening, and it was the birth of Godsmack.
Good music, and and Sully called me, and I'll never forget it. The magic room, you know, here it is in the Godsmack, you know.
We were playing a lot of places, and we were really starting to build a name for ourselves. And it sparked the interest of the record labels.
I think I was probably checking on sales of one of our records. And I remember speaking to someone at Newberry Comics, calling around, hey, how's this record? Hey, it's doing great. It's #2 this week. And, well, it's #1. Yeah, Godsmack. Well, I said, well, who's Godsmack?
Godsmack was outselling as a local unsigned band huge national artists.
The phone rings, and I pick it up.
I said, hey, I'm from Republic Records. How you doing? He's like, yeah. What about, you know?
And I hung up the phone. I really thought it was a friend of mine fucking with me. I actually hung up on the president of the record label.
In our business, you've got to hang on with everything you've got because the next day, the Beatles can walk through the door. And in our case, it was Godsmack.
Please welcome Godsmack! Godsmack! Godsmack!
And the rock artist of the year is Godsmack!
Of course, again, we want to thank the fans more than anybody because without them, this band or any band wouldn't exist. Thank you for the time.